So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the grainy graphics on your games. Now, in order to fix that, just simply right click on the home screen, and once you do it, click on this option of show more option, then click on NVIDIA control panel. Now we're going to adjust some universal NVIDIA settings that you can do as well in order to fix your issues. Once the NVIDIA control panel gets open, you need to go to this option of manage 3D settings. Under there, go to this section of global settings. Inside here you see this option of image sharpening. Make sure that image sharpening is set to off. In your case it might have been turned on, then that's why it's causing some issue. And if there's some other settings of sharpening, you can close all of them as well. Once you do it, you'll realize your problem will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.